Hello YouTubers, here's your host of the video, and this video mainly goes out to Joey Smoot, Garfeild Harris, Daniel Lance, Daniel Florestal, and Rayhan U-Haul, I think. Alright, so for those few people, this video is mostly for them. They did not believe that they did not believe all the stuff that I had in my backyard. So I've had coyotes, I've had possibly a Bigfoot, possibly a mountain lion, possibly an orange pig, or a mutant, whatever you want to call it. I've had coyotes, Bigfoot, mountain lion, rabbits, coyotes, birds, skunks, possums, chipmunks, squirrels, hawks, bats, wild cats. Yeah, so possibly anything you could have in a backyard and more. Alright, so here's my backyard. Let me go. Okay. My backyard. Alright, so yeah. Now hopefully when I go back to school you two will believe me, and hopefully you guys will see this video. Okay? Okay, I don't know how to end the video. Bye? Or no, I like trains.